What's going on, y'all? I'm Austin, and right behind me is the Fiido T1 e-bike, and today we're going to be unboxing it and showing it to y'all, and we're super pumped to show you guys. Got tools and the pedals. And we got the charger here. Here we go.
Basket. And then the headlight.
Okay, now that it's out the box, let's take off the plastic covers. Now that the plastic pieces are off, we're gonna start putting on the handlebar. So we're gonna use this bracket and it's gonna go on here. We're gonna be using the star wrench that's included in the package to screw on these things and put the handlebar on. Now that we got the front handlebars, we're going to be putting on the front wheel, and make sure this disc right here is lined up with your brake. The first that's going to be going is the washer here, and then the bolt. And we're going to be using this socket wrench that came in with the package. Okay, and then we're going to be using this socket wrench and this socket wrench here to counterbalance it. We already tightened it, so that was just a demonstration. Alright, we're going to be using this long bolt and nut here, and make sure you have the washer on to the long bolt. And you're going to put on the rear, or front, sorry, mud flap. And we're going to put this long bolt in here. Once you get it tight enough, use a socket wrench and use your X tool Alright, now once it's on there good, adjust it and it looks good. And make sure the short end is away from you and the long end is facing towards. Make sure, we recommend you to put the basket and the headlight on first before installing on the bike. All it is just 2 screws here and on the back, and just like that. Now we're gonna put it on the bike. We're done with the basket and the headlamp, and we're ready. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Now there's 2 wires, the blue and the red. You want to match them with the ones here. On the wires here, there will be 2 arrows pointing at where they are. There's special notches inside inside the wire, and the 2 arrows are going to be pointing where they should be, as well as the blue one.
as you can see right there.
And that's it with the Fiido T1 installation. It's not bad. Straightforward, and we'll teach you how to put in the battery. And this is how you put in the battery, just in case you're wondering. To pull the seat up, all you gotta do is flip this switch here, and it just rocks up just like that. Aiden here is gonna demonstrate how to put the battery in. Here you go, Aiden.
So basically, you just kind of line it up, and it just slides right in there.
And make sure this little pack right here is gonna go into that plug. And to turn it on, it comes with 2 keys, and you're gonna wanna put it right in here. This is the ignition, and that's on. You press this button here, and it should crank right up. Look at that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the Fiido T1 unboxing and assembly. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I'm looking forward to make new videos and content about the bike. So next week, I'm going to be making an in-depth review about the bike. So please stay tuned by liking and subscribing to the channel. My brother and I worked so hard putting this together, and we'd love to see your support. Thank y'all so much, and have a good night.